Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and living your best life. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you started running every morning? Whether you're a seasoned runner or just thinking about starting, stick around because the benefits of this simple habit might surprise you. First up, an instant energy boost. Morning runs jumpstart your metabolism and flood your body with endorphins, the feel-good hormones. You'll find yourself more focused, productive, and ready to tackle the day ahead. Running every morning also strengthens your heart. Over time, it lowers your resting heart rate and improves blood circulation, a healthier cardiovascular system, and reduced risk of heart disease. And let's talk about weight management. Running burns serious calories. Pair it with a balanced diet, and you'll start noticing changes in your body composition: leaner muscles, less fat, and a boost in overall fitness. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Morning runs can work wonders for your mental health. They help reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. There's something about that quiet morning air that just clears your mind. Another bonus? Better sleep. Running early helps regulate your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep at night and wake up refreshed in the morning. It's like hitting the reset button on your body clock. Now, if you're just starting out, don't worry about speed or distance. Start small, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and build up gradually. Consistency is key, and even short runs can have a big impact over time. And don't forget, running can be social. Join a running group or grab a friend. Accountability and community make it even more fun and rewarding. Ready to hit the ground running? Your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for tuning into Health Options 101. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to help you live a healthier, happier life. See you in the next video.